Whether you're considering a Class A RV for full-time living or just want the benefits of extra space, there are tons of Class A RVs on the market that can meet your needs. Sometimes the biggest struggle is narrowing these options down and finding something that will work for you. I'm here to make the search a little easier by sharing our favorite 2024 Class A models. Let's get started. Best overall, Tiffin Open Road Allegro. The Open Road Allegro from Tiffin is their original Class A RV model that's been extremely successful over its 50 years. Ranging in length from 34 to 38 feet, the Open Road Allegro comes in 5 versatile floor plans. Our favorite from 2024 is the Open Road 34PA floor plan, which has a bathroom that's available from the common areas of the rig, rather than having to walk through the bedroom. And love how the cross-seating setup in the living room. There's a full-size residential kitchen inside of this Class A RV, as well as the option for a walk-around king bed and theater seating in the living room. Again, I like the floor plan where the living room seating and the dinette are facing each other for those late-night RV hangouts. But you can outfit this rig in so many different ways that it's not too difficult to find the perfect fit for your lifestyle and budget, which is why it's an easy pick for our best overall. The interior design is elegant but homey, making it accessible to a variety of families and campers. Some would argue that the interior design is a bit average, though many tend to appreciate how easy everything is to clean and maintain, which I'd value over pure style. Best starter rig, Coachmen Mirada. With 4 diverse layouts for 2024, a highly functional interior design, and a price point that's cheaper than our best overall pick, the Coachmen Mirada is a fantastic starter rig for folks who are just getting into the world of Class A rigs. Floor plans in the Mirada range in length from 30 feet 7 inches all the way to 36 feet and 10 inches. If you're just getting started with RVing or moving up from a Class C, picking the 30-foot floor plan can make the transition easier, since a shorter rig will be easier to drive. Another reason I love the Mirada for folks just getting into Class A rigs. This model also has the feel of a standard RV, but with certain luxurious touches thrown in. For example, you will find solid cabinetry and countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms, as well as beautiful and easy-to-clean flooring. Plus, there are features like an outdoor kitchen and washer and dryer prep. All of the 2024 floor plans include a king bed, and you can also find plans with a farmhouse sink. Different sized bathrooms, depending on what works best for you and your RV lifestyle. Most of these floor plans can easily sleep at least 4 or 5 individuals, making them ideal for large groups or families. However, it's not all luxury, and some of the interior design may leave you feeling lacking. The features are a little bland to some, or just come across as too standard. But given the price point and the fact that this rig is ideal for those of you just starting your RV journey, some of the design can easily be overlooked. Best on a budget, Jayco Alante. The Jayco Alante is the smallest on our list, and it therefore has the smallest price tag, which is ideal for those of you on a budget. You can choose from 5 floor plans for the 2024 models, with the shortest coming in at 28 feet 5 inches, and the longest still only 32 feet 2 inches. That makes this rig easy to drive, and you can easily find Class C rigs that are the same length. The budget-friendly price comes with all the features you need for long trips or comfy weekend getaways, including an onboard generator, solar power, hardwood cabinetry, integrated or smart technology throughout. The interior design of this RV is light and bright, making it appealing to a variety of families and campers. Plus, Jayco offers a number of fantastic warranties and customer service, giving you peace of mind before you hit the road. The main drawbacks of this rig? Well, it has all the usual storage spots you'd expect. You still may not be able to bring everything you want or fit everyone comfortably, given the shorter lengths of this Class A. Best for boondocking, Entegra Coach Emblem. While you could boondock on most Class A rigs, the 2024 Entegra Coach Emblem comes standard with a long list of boondocking features, including 2 house batteries, a 5,500-watt generator, and a 200-watt solar panel with dual controller. While 200 watts of solar power isn't enough to be full-time off-grid, it is enough to be comfortable for just about any weekend trip. You also get the option of upgraded Wi-Fi, heated holding tanks, and tons of smart technology that isn't required for boondocking, but does make going off the grid a lot more comfortable. Plus, the interior design of this rig is classy and sophisticated. You'll hardly notice that you have gone off-grid while staying inside one of these rigs. However, that isn't to say it can't handle the adventurer in you. This rig is equipped with an outdoor shower as well as a variety of other features to help you tackle whatever adventure you have planned. While there are only 3 floor plans for 2024, they're all roughly 38 feet in length. Many RVers, myself included, consider this a nice sweet spot in terms of length for your Class A, given the fact that it is long enough to comfortably house several people, but isn't so long that it is difficult to drive and park at the average campground. So, what's the catch? The main drawback to this rig is the fact that it utilizes a gasoline fuel engine, which means fuel will be more expensive in the long run. However, with a pretty fair price to begin with, you're getting a lot of luxurious features in exchange. Best for large families. Entegra Coach Cornerstone. There are 5 available floor plans for the 2024 Cornerstone, and all of them are 44 feet and 11 inches long. However, that's where the similarities end, and you can find floor plans with 2 bathrooms, a walk-in closet, double sofas for extra sleeping space, bunk beds for the kids, and more. There are huge quality of life features if you're RVing with a family, and having a separate bathroom for the kids versus adults will change your life. Just take my word on that. You can expect spacious L-shaped coaches as well as dinettes, and your kitchen will rival a majority of residential home kitchens. You can have washers and dryers, as well as desk areas included as non-standard features. And there is the smart technology you'd expect throughout the rig. Plus, the interior design is luxurious and jaw-dropping when you get a good look at it. Of course, the real selling point for families is the floor plan options, so you can find the perfect fit for your family. Best for full-timers. Forest River, Berkshire. Forest River doesn't make many Class A's, but the Berkshire is still a standout in the Class A world. Not only is it a fair price, but it feels particularly spacious and welcoming, making it ideal for full-timers, or those of you living in your rig for a good portion of the year. There are 3 available floor plans for the 2024 model, ranging in length from 35 feet and 5 inches to 41 feet. While 3 floor plans may seem limited, at least compared to something like the Entegra Cornerstone, there's a lot of variety here. 2 out of the 3 floor plans have 2 distinct bathroom options, and you can get a master suite with its own bathroom, as well as ceiling fans, making it feel like a residential home. Even the smallest floor plan has the option for a washer and dryer, as well as multiple storage wardrobes in the master suite. You can get a walk-around king-size bed, as well as theater seating, and plenty of counter space in the kitchen. Depending on the optional features and floor plan you choose, the Forest River Berkshire is more affordable than a lot of RVs on this list. Plus, it has a diesel engine and many luxurious touches that you wouldn't normally find at this price. It's definitely worth considering, especially if you would like to live full-time in it. Finding reliable and capable Class A RVs in 2024 is easier than you might think. There are even more options available on the market today other than this list, though hopefully we have given you some insights into a rig that works best for you and your lifestyle. Enjoy finding the best Class A RVs that work perfectly for you so that you can enjoy the upcoming camping season to its fullest.